me. Take a look at them. What comes to your mind after having a glance at these signboards? Yes, you are absolutely right. All of these signboards are related to news. But today I am going to use these signboards to get to know the latest news of the day using my AI. Sounds interesting? Well, why wait? Let's get into the news. So here is my new project using AI, the AI News Desk. So the AI will recognize my signboards and accordingly read out the latest news of the day. So now I will be using these three signboards with my AI to listen to the live news. So let's start with the headlines. So now I am going to show this signboard in front of my AI camera and let's check out the headlines of the day. So the AI has detected my signboard.
News July 6, 2021. Headlines. Coronavirus news live updates. Recoveries continue to outnumber daily new cases for the 54th consecutive day. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 2,97, 52,294, while the case fatality rate stands at 1.32%, the data STA. Contact has been lost with a passenger plane carrying 28 people in Russia's Far East, news agencies cited emergency services as saying on Tuesday. New Delhi, India, July 6. ANI, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Tuesday informed that more than 37.07 crore COVID vaccine doses have been provided to states and UTs so far. Press watchdog Reporters Without Borders, RSF, said that 17 of the 37 leaders have been added for the first time on the list. It has accused these leaders of creating a censorship apparatus. World News.
So now we got to know the headlines of the day. Well, let's use this signboard to know more about the sports news. So the AI has now detected my signboard.
News July 6, 2021. Sports. Get you hands on Kareena Kapoor Khan's t-shirt right here. Barcelona cannot register Lionel Messi, Depay and Aguero as report reveals huge problems. Akash Chopra said the choice of India openers for T20 World Cup will perhaps boil down to a battle between Virat Kohli and KL Rahul, in which he said the latter might come out on top. Cricket. Copa America, Lucas Paqueta's goal sent Brazil into the final as they beat Peru 1-0 to set up a clash against Argentina or Colombia on July 11th. Also, has any player been out for 99 in their last test?
Now let's get into the science news of the day. So the AI has detected
News
my
July
signboard.
6, 2021. Science. Just like JPL's motto of Dare Mighty Things, the Ingenuity helicopter has dared to fly higher, faster and farther than before on another planet. Beijing, July 6. EANS, 2 Chinese astronauts have for the first time worked outside of the country's space station to install tools, the media reported. This is China's second spacewalk in the history of its space program. During this 2-month campaign, Kepler monitored a crowded field of millions of stars near the center of our galaxy every 30 minutes in order to find rare. The interdisciplinary program starts in September and will give students an informed understanding of planetary atmospheres and landforms, space. The new technology from the University of Tel Aviv will help people with disabilities or those who have lost touch to the nerves of various organs.
For this AI News Desk project, I have interfaced my Arduino with Python and I have also incorporated my AI. First, the AI detects the signboards and accordingly sends data to Arduino. Arduino receives the data and accordingly sends signals to Python. According to the signals Python receives, Python gathers news from the News API and reads them aloud. We can also see the news on the screen and the LCD displays the type of news we are currently listening to. So just as we showed this signboard in front of the camera, we could get to listen to the live news. This is an amazing application of AI. Hope you enjoy listening to the news from my AI News Desk. So as I always say, keep thinking and keep innovating such amazing projects. Thank you. Stay tuned for more projects.